Hello and welcome back to Huga House. Today we'll be talking about this simple 24-foot by 20-foot cottage with an awesome floor plan. The simple 24-foot by 20-foot cottage design would be perfect for anyone. A family or a couple would fit comfortably in this cottage to use as a vacation home, or maybe it would even be a great rental cottage to invest in building. The small cabin designs are nice looking with a very modern design style. The roof on this cottage design is slanted shed roof, giving it a more modern feel that is like an updated version of the homey, traditional cottage. The cottage has a great layout as well, with 2 bedrooms, bathroom, a living room, and a kitchen area, with an eat-in dining room. It's got everything a cottage space needs. At a mere 480 square feet, this cottage design is popular for its twin bedrooms, cozy activity area, and covered porch. Nice windows above the porch add the brightness and illusion of more space. And a tiny wood stove keeps the whole tiny home design warm with very little fuel. This plan is also a favorite because of the ease of building the simple tiny home designs plan in remote areas. Small cottage designs don't have to make everything else seem tighter and cramped for the residents. As a matter of fact, they provide more benefits compared to their larger counterparts. One of the most important things to consider when buying or building a cottage is the size. Typically, the bigger the structure, the more money it is to build and maintain. But a smaller design, which requires a smaller portion of the lot, cuts your expenses in half and also leaves a bigger space that can be used for other purposes. Tiny cabin designs and tiny house design plans also require less power usage, which means fewer lights and other electrical fixtures. There is also less worry about wasted space, as cleaning a tiny house design becomes a lot easier. Use of the vacuum cleaner and water is minimized, so, in turn, you will save money, time, and effort. Even though smaller cabin and home designs will always lack space, this does not have to affect your comfort and privacy. You can always change the scenery in and around your tiny house design, no matter how big or small the tiny house design is. You can have fun decorating and making your tiny cottage design unique and your own. And you don't even need the expertise of an interior designer to do it for you. This is just one of the tiny house design plans you will find on the Drummond House Plans website. On the site, you will find a variety of some of the best tiny house design and tiny house design plans to custom design and make your own. With a variety of tiny home designs and tiny cabin designs in different styles, sizes, and designs. You don't need too much space in tiny cabin designs, especially if you will only use it for recreational purposes. If you are using the cottage for full-time living, there wouldn't be much of a problem either, since there is enough space for a tiny home too. You just have to rethink how you will organize your home and personal items and make sure you have a spot for everything. And that concludes our video for today. Please consider dropping a like, it really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day and hoping to see everybody in the next video.